Morning all. If you've been wondering where I've been, well, I have been a bit busy. I've been doing construction work on my house, namely my kitchen. If you can sort of remember, a little while back I started to make a decking. That's finished now for the end of this year, but I've got some videos for that later. But in order to gain access to that solarium, decking, whatever you want to call it, I've got to go through my kitchen, and this is where the fun started. I had to move everything around in my kitchen because when I was looking through like Kijiji or whatever it is, Gumtree in the UK, somebody was selling some kitchen units in pine for, I don't know, $250. Anyway, we settled on $200 as long as I got them out by Thursday, and this was on Monday, so Lech kindly came down and gave me a hand to pull them all out, and they're going to be nice. As you can see in the picture, they're going to match my pine boards on my walls. So I mean, that meant doing all the electricity and stuff like this, because this building was built in 1960 and it had one 15 amp breaker for the whole kitchen, so you couldn't put the kettle on and the microwave at the same time. Pain. So I rewired the whole kitchen, and I used the cooker wire, which was 40 amp, into a separate supply box, and then broke that down into 15 and 20 amps on different circuits. I know it's complicated, but it had to be done, and I was a bit pressed for time because, like I said, the guy wanted the kitchen out by the Thursday. So then, where did I put the kitchen? In the workshop where the axle is. Couldn't get to the axle that I've been working on. So now things have calmed down a bit. I should be able to get back onto that axle, get it on this bench here, so we can have a look at it. Now, what else has been happening? Well, there's probably a few eagle-eyed people have noticed that we hit 50,000 subscribers last week, which is great. I mean, some people do that in a week, but you know, since 2018, and not using Facebook or anything like that, it's not done too bad. Also, another record hit this week was 15 million views, which is pretty darn good. I was very pleased about that, 15 million. So what else are we going to do? Well, it's my birthday at the end of the month, on the 30th, so I'm going to combine everything at the end of October. I'm going to have another quiz, but it's going to be for paying subscribers only. You know, the guys you see in this list here, or is it here? I don't know. Yeah, so we're gonna do a quiz for those because they've supported me, and it's time to give something back. And the prize is going to be this thermal imaging camera thing. So if you're a hunter, you might be in for a good prize. I don't know. I think it's really meant for hunting, but it could be a bit of fun if you want to look at animals in the dark. But then again, what do you want to look at animals in the dark for? You can't see them. Anyway, I don't know. But going on from that, those awfully nice people at Top Don saw that video when I was comparing their Top Don to this thing here. So they sent me one of these. Now, I haven't opened it yet. I was looking forward to that, but it seems to be like one of those point and shoot type camera things that doesn't go on your phone. So that's going to be something to look forward to. I'll do that probably in the next video, but as I say, I'm almost finished my kitchen. I've got to get that done. I was hoping to get the countertop this weekend, but it's just poured down. So the last thing I want to do is get it all wet. So hopefully this afternoon it's going to dry up a little bit, and I can get down and do that. So I haven't forgotten yet, but it was just a little bit of an update to what's been going on, because it has been kind of manic. It really has. I don't know. Anyway. It's going to be good. I've got more spots. I was just sort of upstairs in the kitchen just looking around it, and I thought, bloody hell, I've got more storage space. I haven't got anything to put in it now. Oh well, I mean, a minimalist life is the life for me. Alright, so we'll catch you later, and hopefully we can get this opened. See ya.